Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back here with another study vlog. So let's complete our holiday homework. So before starting, I thought to light up this candle, and this was given to me by my best friend on my birthday, and this is self-made. Like, she made this scented candle herself to give me everything. This painting on the bottle is also bottle jar is also done by her. So like, it's fully self-made by her for me. So yeah, I just lighted this up and started doing my work. So here I'm just completing my file work that was given in the holiday homework. Actually, I completed all the writing part long ago, but only sticking these printout pictures were left. So I was just doing that. And after procrastinating a lot, I started doing this around like 9:30, and I thought कि ये काम जल्दी हो जाएगा, it will be done early, but this small task also took a long time. Like, firstly cutting the printouts, then sticking it and everything, and like it just took much time than I thought. So I was just figuring out कौन सी फ़ोटो कहाँ पे लगेगी. So I was doing that. I was sticking everything, and I don't know how my hands got black. I literally have no idea why this happened, but मैं बस ठीक है, मैंने देखा, and I went to wash my hands and started working again, sticking all the pictures on in the file. But after some time, I looked at my hands and they were black again, and I seriously don't know how was this happening. But I don't know, they were just turning black. I have no idea why this happened. So after completing this work, which took almost 1.5 hours, so I took a break, and after that I started completing exercises of chapter 2 of chemistry, structure of atom. And I was doing this with my best friend, and she was also studying, I was also studying, we were studying together. And this particular chapter had like 67 questions, so I had to do it. But फिर I was hungry, so I made this pasta for everyone, and I was just making this. I ate this, and yeah. So hi, and let me tell you, it's my school is about to open. It's Saturday today, tomorrow is Sunday, and on Monday the school is reopening. So and I'm still not done with my holiday homework. Like, only chemistry's work is left, but that is a lot to complete. Actually, our teacher gave us the work to complete the back exercise of chapter 2, structure of atom, and there were some more questions, just some extra 10 questions. That is okay, but the back exercise of the second chapter, it has so many questions, like 67 questions in total. And the thing is, I haven't even studied that chapter अच्छे से. So I'm just completing that work for the sake of completing it. After that, I'll have to study it for my exams. So look, so this is the chapter structure of atom, and I have completed these many questions for now. Like 32 of them I've completed, and so many of them are left. By total 67 questions. So I was just doing that from yesterday, and only 32 questions have been completed till now. So today my goal is to just complete these questions please, क्योंकि फिर आज अगर मैं ये वाला सारा काम अगर कर लेती हूँ, तो कल थोड़ा बहुत तो सेल्फ स्टडी कर ही लूँगी. So let's just do it. So after mustering up the courage to do this whole work, to complete all these questions, I sat down to study around 4 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I was just completing that. So it's 9:53 p.m. right now, and I have completed 47 questions till now, and these many are left to do, and I'm just going to do it. सो ऑफ़कोर्स मैंने 4 बजे से लेके सीधा 9:53 तक लगातार नहीं करा था, बीच में ब्रेक भी लिए थे. एंड फिर 10 PM at around 10 p.m. I sat down to complete this again, and 47 to हो ही गए थे, so like only 20 were left. So I was just completing that like very quickly, writing all that in a very fast speed. So I just hoped to do it at least till like 12 a.m. so that tomorrow I will be a bit free and could do a bit self study. So finally, after writing as fast as I could, I finally completed all those 67 questions. But after that, I thought to do 10 questions more, which was given as holiday homework. So after that, I just started to do those 10 questions. जबकि मेरा बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं था, पर फिर भी मैंने सोचा बस 10 क्वेश्चंस ही तो रह रहे हैं, सो लेट मी जस्ट कंप्लीट दैट टू. So I was just doing that. So finally at around 12:25 a.m. I was done with all of my holiday homework. Finally it was done, and yeah, that's it for this study vlog. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and bye.